Hello everyone, this is Hardik with EandM, and today I'm going to show you the new industrial tablet from Siemens. This is the new MD-34A industrial ruggedized tablet from Siemens. I'm excited. Let's go ahead and open the box. So here it is. Here is the charger, just a regular adapter, just like a laptop charger, and then there is a cable for the US pin, so that goes in your wall socket. The nice thing about the charger is it's universal, so whether you are in the US or Europe, 100 to 240 volt, so it's the same charger. Here is the battery. It's 3500 milliamp battery. It's pretty lightweight. And here is the actual tablet. Wow, looks nice. All right, let's go ahead and turn it on. Here is the power button. And I see there is a LED light that shows the power is on. And I'm guessing we need to do the initial Windows setup. So let it boot up and then I will do the setup and we'll be right back. Okay, so here is the tablet. Looks pretty nice. It's got a barcode scanner, 1D and 2D barcode. It's got an RFID scanner. It's got a 4G cellular SIM card slot inside. It's got speaker. It's got microphone built in. Here are a bunch of ports. So here is an HDMI port, USB-C, USB-A. Here is a 3.5mm microphone and a headphone jack. Here is the charging cable adapter, so that one goes right there. The best thing is it's got an RJ45 Ethernet connection, so I can connect this directly to my devices, whether it's a PLC, HMI drives, or my networking switch. Besides the RJ45 Ethernet connection, this does have Wi-Fi 6 built in and also Bluetooth. So what you can do is if you have Wi-Fi connected to your plan-wide network, you can just use Wi-Fi. Also, this one has up to 32 gigs of RAM, 512 GB of SSD drive. So you could load TI Portal on this and just use it instead of your laptop as your workstation. So that's one application. The other thing you could do is you could load your WinCC runtime. So maybe you can load WinCC runtime unified, the latest WinCC version, and then make this an HMI. And then if you're connected on your Wi-Fi, and your PLC and other devices are on the same network, you could see all your screens from this same tablet from wherever you are on the plant floor. This is IP65 dust and water resistance. It's very ruggedized. It's got mil specs, and there is a very cool video that Siemens did. Let's go check out on how rugged this tablet is. The other good thing I like about this is the removable battery. So you could easily remove the battery and pop in a new battery. The battery life for this on specs is 6 hours. So you can easily have two batteries, and then there's also other accessories. So they have a dual bay charging dock for charging up to two batteries at a time. They have a hand strap, so it's easily and ergonomic for you to carry around the tablet. They have a shoulder strap. They have a desk adapter, so you can put this on your desk and connect your keyboard, mouse, and other accessories. So it's a fully released product. I'm really excited to test it out. If you have any questions regarding this tablet or any other products from Siemens, please feel free to contact us at the email on the screen. Thank you.